How to easily change your name in Gmail. So to start, what we need to do is to open our browser and then in here tap on this menu icon. After that, select on this Gmail option. Once we're done with that, it will automatically open our Gmail account. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, select on the see all settings. And then under settings, we'll have to go here on this accounts and import. Under here, we'll have to go here on this send mail as, and then in here tap on this edit info option. After that, you will now see this option name. As you can see here, it is showing my old name. If I want to change my name, all I need to do is to tap under my name and then we'll just have to input my new name here. Once I'm done, we'll just have to tap on the Save Changes option to completely change our name in Gmail. So that's how easy we can change name in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!